What is going on, my YouTube friends? I hope everybody's having a great day. No snow, no rain or nothing today, so it's good here in Michigan. Yes, it is. But anyhow, I've been out in the garage today messing around with this dash. I got it painted up, dyed up, whatever you want to call it. I use paint. But anyhow, looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. I still got to pull out the rest of the trim and everything, but I wanted to get the dash done because I'm getting ready to marry the wiring harness to it. So once we get the wiring harness married to it, then we'll put it in the car, man. Yeah, buddy. And then after I get the wiring harness and everything put in the car, I really think I'm going to do the adjustments I need on the front end and get that straightened out. I was just looking at the front end. Get that straightened out, and I'm going to get a couple wheels for the front of it, and we're going to drop the car down on the ground. Yeah, we'll put it on the floor of the garage here, so that way maybe we can start putting that engine in. What do you think? I think that might be a good idea. What do you think? You just let me know down there in the description what you think. Yeah, buddy. But I just want to let you guys know what's going on here in Mr. Mach 1's garage. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys are awesome. And I don't care what anybody says. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. Have a great rest of your day. Yeah, buddy. So I think it turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. Let's get this. There we go. So yeah, looks pretty good. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. Yeah, I still got a lot of the trim and stuff to paint for the steering column and that, so. All right, guys. Again, thanks for watching.